Guys, admin abuse is crazy. It's crazy. Crazy. I don't know what's happening. The Sigma. Let me just go on stuff. No, we're chilling. Everything is relaxed right now. Let's go. Sheesh. Yes, oh boy, pups. Let's go. This update has been absolutely crazy. Yes, that's what I need. Now I just need 100 more. What? Okay, bro, even more. Admin abuse has just been crazy at the end. It was kind of mid at the start, but now it's just been going absolute ham and out of control. Oh, so Flamingo's trying to crash the game now. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Yo, can we have like 100 lollipops? Right now it's 10 a.m. for me, so I'm like still tired. What the Sigma? Bro, is Albert falling from the sky again? Oh my god, bro. Yo, more please. I think they're doing this just to get some people's money down. As everyone, we all know that people have too much money in this game. One more stream? Junk boy, you suck. Bro, what are we supposed to do? Bruh, no, that's crazy. Albert, he's a little ambitious right now. Yeah, there's my friend's beautiful bone blossom. Yo guys, 1,000 subs and this bone blossom will be given to you guys because I'll just steal it from him. Okay? Oh, Space Fiend, bro. Bro, shut up. That's crazy. Wow, okay. Dang. I got some junk shock. Yeah, it kind of looks like butt shock. So I think I got like hit by Molten. Okay. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. Bro, right now I just want to eat some breakfast, bro. All I want is breakfast. Junk bought a... Bro, we're gonna absolutely junk bought it on. Black hole, please. Guys, the aliens are here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this gravity jump is mad, bro. I'm gonna jump up. No, get back here. Bro, 2 gravities combined is stupidly mad crazy. Well, maybe I can actually come like. Bro, what is happening? Bro, this is crazy. Wait, yo, I gotta get onto the junk bot ships. Yo, I'm actually so close. No, okay, whenever. No. We're running out of our gravities. No! Shit, I'm depressed. Yo, my friend's bomb blossom got even more crazy. It's got heavenly on it, nice. Volcanic, no. Bro, update's already passed. What the Sigma? Oh, nah, bro, I don't want to get hit. Oh, yeah, no. I mean, for me, oh, please. Yeah, I don't want to die at a young age. Please. Don't let me die. He's bad. No. Ah, bro. Bro, where should I hide? Oh my gosh, the molten cube is so close to this bomb blossom. Yes, Albert, yes, perfect. Yes, that's such a beam, bro. Bro, are you saying that don't hit? Are you serious right now? I'm evil now. Okay. Bro, banned from the game, that's crazy. Life is good, guys. Bye-bye, Albert. Bro, why is he so fat? Wait, are they actually doing like a lawsuit for real? Maybe a flamingo did something bad in Grow Garden. Thanks, friend. Right, you too, friend. Dang. What is happening? Gosh, should I keep on doing more Grow a Garden content? No. I think I'm gonna start streaming Grow Garden, guys, okay? I don't know how many of you will watch me, but I don't know. Maybe someone's gonna watch me doing Grow Garden streams. Well, first I gotta figure out how to do it, though. Is the admin the beast done? Okay, everyone. Okay, what? Yeah, what is it, Jenna? What is it? Is that it? Just okay, everybody? Nice. I think Albert just got banned or something. Maybe he deserved it. Yep, no problem, Jandiel. So, is this it? Bro, I didn't realize he could. Dang. That's crazy. It keeps saying, oh no. Bro, what is he trying to say then? Albert, be a good boy. No saying bad words. You know? Okay, yeah, what is it? What is it? Bruh, bruh, bruh. Bruh, 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 bruh. We're still doing admin abuse. And it's 21 minutes after the update, bro. When do I? Okay, bro. Albert really wants to go out with a bang. Let's go out with a bang. Bang, bang, bang. So put your best face on, everybody. Bang, bang, bang. Bruh, okay, they're no longer friends. We're a relationship. So what? They're now boyfriend and girlfriend. You want too crazy? For both of us, oh gosh. Actually, no, they're still doing it. Okay, we're gonna be here at 11 o'clock still. Okay. A junk bot raid? We had to keep him secret because we thought he'd get in trouble. Who? Albert always bad things. But this is such a hot mutation hogger area. Might as well just start reclaiming the pairs. The junk ball raid. Dang, bro, dang, dang, dang. So, do I even have enough space? Okay, I'm just gonna end the video here, guys. I don't know if I have enough space or anything. Bye-bye.